Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. And to my subscribers, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious and filling beef stew recipe that's perfect for a chilly weekend. See if you like these types of videos, just keep watching. First, I'll slice a yellow onion, then cube 2 potatoes before moving on to seasoning the beef. I've washed and trimmed the fat off of my beef, then I've cut it into cubes. Then I'll add all of my dry and wet ingredients. This stew seasoning is something from my home country, so I know many of you won't have this, but you can substitute it and use Worcestershire sauce instead. To a heavy bottom pot, I'll add about 3 teaspoons of vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, I'll add tomato paste and fry for 1 to 2 minutes. I'll now add my beef pieces to the pan and turn them constantly until browned on both sides for about 5 minutes. Now that the beef is coated and browned well, I'll add the onions and cook until translucent. I'll now add 3½ cups of water, 2 beef cubes, 3 sprigs of thyme, 1 bay leaf, cover and bring to a boil, then let simmer for 20 to 25 minutes or until the beef is tender. Beef stew is one of those meals that's easy to make and it's perfect for feeding a crowd. Also, add salt and pepper to taste. Now that the beef is tender, I'll add potatoes and let them cook until the potatoes are fork tender. I used frozen carrots, so I added them to the stew during the last 5 minutes of cooking. And there you have it, an easy and hearty beef stew. I hope you give this a try. The full recipe will be listed in the description box below. And as always, thanks for the support. Continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Tuesday and Friday when I post. Bye!